Welcome. This video will explore the MyAPA homepage, your gateway to APA resources and research tools. From this site, you can edit your APA profile, view databases, journals, and magazines that you subscribe to, manage alerts, and much more. To get started, log into your APA account by typing my.apa.org into your browser. As an APA member, you automatically have an account. Sign in using your member number and the password that you established when you set up your membership. If you forget your sign-in information, you can click on the corresponding link to have it sent to you. If you're not an APA member or don't have an account, click on the Create an Account button and set up your new account. If you have a Google account, you can opt to use this to sign in instead. Once signed in to the MyAPA homepage, you can view and update personal information such as email and your mailing address by clicking on the Edit APA Profile button. In the subscriptions box, you can access databases, magazines, and journals that are available to you. For example, if you have a Gold, Gold Plus, or Platinum subscription, you can click on the links underneath the Databases heading to go into APA PsycNet and start your research. Scrolling lower in this section, you can read the Monitor or access any of your APA journal subscriptions. In the APA Groups and Affiliations box, you can get more information about APA divisions or find the contact information for your state and local psychological associations. If you've purchased APA articles or book chapters, you can open them in the Purchases box. For example, I've purchased this article on school violence prevention. Clicking on the title opens the article and allows me to download the PDF onto my computer. Last, one major tool you can use in the MyAPA accounts is alerts. Select the Alerts section from the center of the home page or from the left side menu. There are 6 types of alerts to choose from. Under the Journals tab, you'll see the list of 110 journal titles from APA and affiliates. For each title, you can select the Journal button to receive an email when a new issue is published, or you can select the OFP button to receive an email when a new online first posting article is released. When you're done selecting journal articles, be sure to click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. The APA Books Alert is a once-monthly email that will notify you when the Psych Books database has added new titles. Similarly, the Databases Alert is a once-monthly email that will let you know when new items have been added to the Psych Test database. For newsletters and news alerts, select the publications for which you want to receive email updates when new issues are available. The small information icon next to each title will tell you about the topic, frequency, and link to older issues for any newsletters or news alerts. Finally, the Research tab allows you to select from a list of popular topics or to set up your own custom alerts. Again, be sure to save changes at the bottom of the page. You can always cancel an alert by unchecking any boxes in any of the tabs. The alerts that you set up will come to the email that's associated with your MyAPA account. Please be aware that some of these alert types will include links to items such as journal articles and book chapters from APA PsycNet. While you'll be able to look at the abstracts and citation information, you'll need access to APA PsycNet through an institution or through an individual subscription to open the full text. If you don't have access to APA PsycNet, you can purchase these items individually. Newsletters and news alerts include content that is freely available to the public. In summary, MyAPA homepage provides you with access to valuable resources and research tools. Visit my.apa.org to get started setting up research alerts and more. Thanks for watching. For more tips and strategies, please see our YouTube channel or visit the APA website.